Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by getting to the Gmail sign-in page. Open your browser and type Gmail. Then press Enter. If you have multiple profiles, choose the one you use for email. This avoids cookie conflicts. Once the page loads, click Sign In. If you plan to use two-step verification, make sure your phone or backup codes are at hand so you can complete the next steps without delay. Now enter your Gmail address and click Next. This tells Google which account you're accessing. Type your password, take a moment to confirm no caps lock errors, then sign in. If prompted, complete two-step verification using your preferred method, such as a code from an authenticator app or a text message. Make sure to select Remember this device only on private laptops to avoid leaving access open on shared machines. When your inbox appears, glance at the top right to confirm the correct profile icon. That ensures you're in the right account. If you need to add another account, use Add Account from the menu. Once done, sign out or close the window on public machines. If sign-in fails, try clearing browser cookies, resetting your password via the recovery options, or using an incognito window to isolate extensions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.